Majority of traders lose money in the stock market because of this one mistake. They don't allocate their funds properly. And a fund allocation is a very important topic because we all have limited funds. Even Mukesh Ambani ji has limited capital. हाँ, उनका capital बड़ा तो बहुत है, but he also does not have unlimited access to capital. So now the point is, be it 1,000, 1 lakh or 1 crore, market उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Market gives return on percentage basis. And now let's say I'm targeting 12% on my capital, whatever that is. I'm targeting 12% annual returns on my XYZ capital. How do I do that? I find stocks or sectors or indices which have given that return already since the last 10 years or 20 years. That gives me a nice track record. Now I see if the management is clean and the fundamentals are decent. You don't need to be a chartered accountant to do that. You just need to see the basic growth, the basic valuations and the basic history of the company. Now, आपको जो बहुत सारी कंपनीज मिली हैं उसमें से अगर आप 12% टारगेट कर रहे हो, you need to find the one with the least risk. Be it the company, be it the index, be it the asset class, you need to find the one with the least risk, because that is what the ideal risk to reward ratio is. Risk कम और reward ज़्यादा. That's how you allocate funds and that's how you live stress free and make the maximum amount of returns. Good luck.